So I've been noticing that the Serpentine belt in my Land Rover has been looking very sad and worn out lately. And upon closer inspection, yeah, I would say that it's on its last leg. Now this is my 98 Disco 1 with the Jim's V8. However, I believe that any Rover V8 of the 90s follows the same procedure in replacing the Serpentine belt. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong about that. Now the belt sits on top of this pulley which applies tension to the rest of the drive belts. Releasing the tension on the pulleys is as simple as attaching a socket wrench and pushing down on the pulley. Now on my engine this was a 15mm bolt, but it might be different on yours. And once the tension is released, carefully take the drive belt off of the pulley, release the tension on your socket wrench, and remove the drive belt from the engine. I picked up this Flinner Serpentine belt from Amazon here in the States for about 25 bucks. Now as long as you get the right belt for your engine, it shouldn't really matter what brand you get. Armor Mark, Continental, Bando, any of those brands should be just fine. I'll post a link in the description for where I picked up my belt. Installing the new Serpentine belt doesn't require anything special. Just apply tension back to that tensioner pulley and slip the Serpentine belt back over the pulleys just like it was before you took it off. It helps to take a picture before you take it off, but it shouldn't be that difficult. Remember that your new belt is going to be a lot stiffer and firmer than the old belt, so you might have some trouble getting it on at first, but don't worry, that's totally normal. And once you're absolutely sure that you have it installed right, go ahead and turn on the engine and make sure it doesn't blow up. And that's all there is to it. Changing out the Serpentine belt on the Rover V8.